Hello everyone, I'll be solving a problem from Geeks for Geeks, and the problem is called Ishwar and his proposals. It's a basic problem. So let's look at the problem. The problem states that Ishwar has got proposals from n girls. Each girl gives him a rose with a number written on it, where the number represents the popularity of the girl. Okay, Ishwar decides that he'll accept the proposal of the second most popular and the second least popular girl only. Okay, so he's not going for the best or the worst, he's playing in between. Okay, so can you help him find the popularity of those girls? So he wants the second most popular and the second least popular girl. The popularity of all the girls are unique, yeah. So n is 4, so he has got 4 proposals and the popularity are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the second most popular girl will be 3 and the second least popular girl will be 2. So the output should be most popular and the least second most popular and the second least popular. Okay, the 3 represents the popularity of the second most popular girl and 2 represents the popularity of the second least popular girl. In the second example, he has got 5 proposals. Okay, and the number on the roses are 6, 9, 1, 4 and 8. Okay, so 9 is the most popular, 8 is the second most popular girl, so 8 should be the output, and 1 is the least popular and 4 is the second least popular. So 8 output is 8 and 4. 8 represents the popularity of the second most popular girl and 4 represents the popularity of the second least popular girl. Okay, so we don't need to read input or print anything. The task is to complete the function accepted proposals, which takes an array of size n as input and returns an array of size 2, where the 0th element represents the popularity of the second most popular girl and the first element represents the popularity of the second least popular. Okay, and they want us to do it in expected time complexity O of n and auxiliary space of O of 1. Okay, so we can't use arrays dot sort because for arrays dot sort time complexity will be O of n log n, so which we don't want. We need to have the time complexity that we want is should be O of n. Okay, so O of n. So for that, okay, we can't use arrays dot sort and we need to return an array list. So first we'll define an array list. Okay, then we'll define the first minimum number as integer dot max value, second min will be integer dot max value, then the first max will be integer dot min value, and second max will be integer dot min value. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to run a loop. N is given. Okay, so first we'll check if the number is less than first min. If it is less than the first min, then the second min will be assigned to first min and the first main number will be array I. Okay, and the second case, that will be if array of I is less than second main and array of I is not equal to first main. In that case, second one will be array of I. I hope you understand this. Okay, for now, to find the second largest number, we just need to change the conditions. If array of I is greater than first max, then second max will be equal to first max, and first max will be error of I else if error of I is greater than second max and error of I is not equal to first max, then second max equal to error of I. Okay. Okay. We need to add then we need to, okay, sorry, we need to add it outside the loop. We need to return the list. Okay, so let me okay, it's done. So this is the logic that we need to form. We need to take, we can't do arrays.sort because that will be O of n log n, and we need to do it using this method where we find the first min, then we find the second minimum. Similarly, we find the first maximum number and then we find the second maximum number. Okay, I hope this solution was understandable. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.